Hello everyone, Moshe the Electric Israeli and FSD here. Thank you for joining. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to my supporters. Follow me on X, and if you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code. And today I am set to announce that my 2021 Tesla Model Y that I have for 2 years now, a little bit more than 2 years, with 56,000 miles, I drive a lot, the battery has to be replaced. So let me tell you quickly the story, and then we'll do a recap of what I think is happening. So about a week ago, I got this sticker on the car, so the car is not able to charge, it's charge limited, the charge is limited, whatever it is. Bottom line, I can't charge the car. Okay, so this is it's not a pleasant situation. So I plugged it in, nothing is out. It looks like the charge is complete. I was able to find an appointment for the next day. That was last week, for the next day in one of the service centers of Tesla in my area. A little bit far, but no big deal. And so I said, fine, let's do it. So overnight, the car starts charging. I left it plugged in just to see. The car starts charging slowly, trickle. Then there was a software update. So I did the software update, and then this, and then that. And the car was fine. Okay, great. Okay, I'll do it. I'll take it. Fine. So I canceled the appointment foolishly. Day or two later, there was another sticker, but the car was charging, this and that and whatever. And then I said, you know what? This is fishy. Some of my followers said, just do it. What do you care? So I made an appointment, a non-urgent appointment, which was supposed to be on Friday after Thanksgiving. I said, okay. So a day ago, again, this sticker came back and the car is not charging. So I drove to the Tesla service center in Springfield, New Jersey, where I do all my services. I said, listen, I have an appointment for next week, but the car is not charging. I can't go anywhere. They did a quick look at my account. They said, we already diagnosed your car and we already ordered a battery, a refurbished battery, to replace. You need to replace your battery. But we'll take you now. We'll give you a loaner. They gave you a Tesla Model Y gray, just like mine. And here it is. We're going to give you a 2-week window to drive it. We think it's going to be less. The battery will be replaced. I said, but the battery was not degraded because I charge it to 80% every day. It gives me about, 250 miles, whatever that is, every single day, about 400 kilometers. And fine, the battery is fine. He said, no, there's one component. You have the battery, but there are components that all these cells, like this one component of many, there's an electrical short there. And we need, I said, so just replace that and put a new one. So we don't do it anymore, it's inefficient. We just put a new battery, we take the old one, we refurbish it, and then that's it. So we're replacing your battery, and the battery is under warranty. It's 120,000 miles or 8 years. So I have 2 years and 56,000 miles because I drive a lot of long trips. So I said, I don't remember his name. I said, Johnny, what would it cost if I was out of warranty? He said between $15,000 to $20,000. This is an 82 kilowatt hour battery. Like, holy macaroni. So let's go all the way. So let's say I drove 120,000 miles and the battery went. Something like this happened. Can I take it to somebody just to replace this? Will Tesla allow it? Do they do it? I guess they don't. It's a big deal. It's a big, big expense. What would happen to a gasoline car after 120,000 miles? Would you have to do an overhaul? You have to do, I own million gas cars, and by the time they got to 50,000 miles, radiator, carburetor, all kinds of, that's why we like electric cars, because there are not too many repairs. But this is a big one. This is not a small one. So the good news, I'm getting a refurbished battery. It has nothing to do with degradation. The battery degraded about 5% since I bought it. So there's no major degradation. It's nothing to do with degradation. It has to do with charging because of an electrical circuit short somewhere in one of them components. So for Tesla, it's just easy to stick in a refurbished battery. So obviously it's at the shop now. It should be there for another week, hopefully by Thanksgiving, after Thanksgiving. I'm going to pick it up, charge it, make sure that I get the same range. So there's no issues there, because it was not a range issue, and we'll see what happens. But that got me thinking, because I have 2 Teslas, soon I'm gonna have 3, is to balance my long distance driving, because I use the Tesla Model Y mainly for long distance driving because it's very comfortable and it's great with the boys and all that. So, I have a Model 3 and we need to balance the whole thing with these cars. But that's down the road. But that's it. It's not concerning. I know it doesn't happen a lot. I know personally of people this happened to them. What would I do if this would happen? What happened when I'm out of warranty on the battery? Will I trade the car? I'm thinking that I would. I don't want to take that risk. You know what I mean? I don't want to take that risk. Anyway, that's my thought. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll give you an update when I get the car back next week. See you next video.